KCT aspirants, KCT 2026 application form filling process has already started. In this video, I am going to discuss about a very important term, that is supernumerary quota or SNQ. Okay, so what is this quota? Who is eligible for this? What are the documents required? What are the benefits of this, and how is this implemented in the KCT? We will be discussing everything in detail. So please watch the complete video and then let me know in the comment section if you are eligible for this or not. So let's get started with first understanding the term SNQ and what does it do or what is its importance. Okay, so here you can see that, just a minute. Yeah, so you can see 5% of seats in each college and in each course will be reserved as SNQ in all the engineering colleges. So let me first clarify that SNQ is for engineering colleges. Okay, 5% seats will be reserved. This quota is over and above the seat matrix issued by the government. The tuition fee prescribed by the government in that particular college will be waived off. Okay, those students who are eligible for SNQ, for them the tuition fee will be waived off. That is the importance, or I can say the benefit of getting this quota. The candidate has to pay the university and other fees only. So there are two type of fees when you go to any admission. There's one is tuition fee and there is the university fee which you pay for certain other facilities like labs, exams, hostels, etc. So only that part of the fees you have to pay and the tuition fee will be waived off for you. The supernumerary quota is not available for architecture course. Okay, all poor and meritorious candidates, including the general merit, are eligible for allotment of seats under SNQ. Okay, so this is, I can say, only one system or one reservation or one quota which is applicable for even general merit students. Okay, so there is no other I can say relaxation for general merit students, but yes, SNQ is there. And it is applicable for whom? Whose annual income of the family is less than 8 lakhs. Okay, so if your family income is less than 8 lakhs, whichever category, whichever caste, scheduled caste, SC, whatever, or even general, you will be eligible for this. Okay, and all the eligible candidates whose income is less than 8 lakhs should obtain the income certificate from the concerned tehsildar and enter the RD number of the income certificate to be eligible for SNQ. Okay, so you need to provide the SNQ. You need to provide the income certificate to be eligible for SNQ, and your income certificate should show the proof that your family income, annual income, is less than 8 lakhs. Okay, now let's see this in little bit detail. So you can see all the eligible candidates including SC. Okay, just a minute. Sorry, yeah, all the eligible candidates including SC, ST category 1 and general merit whose annual income is less than 8 lakhs should obtain the income certificate from the concerned tehsildar. Now your question might be why there is not 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B candidates. For them also it is there, but let me clarify that SC, ST category 1 and general merit candidates should have a separate income certificate for the SNQ. Okay, now, all the candidates, including the general merit, are eligible for SNQ if their annual income is less than 8 lakhs. It is the same thing repeated, but here, which is very important that I want to tell you. See, income certificate should have the RD number and the certificate should be in the name of the candidate. This is very important. Next, the candidates who claim SNQ will have to obtain the income certificate from the concerned tehsildar. This is next important point. SC, ST and category 1 and GM will have income certificates separately, whereas caste and income certificate of 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B will be considered for SNQ seats. Okay, for 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, they don't have to produce additional income certificate. Their caste income certificate will work here. Okay, and one very important, EWS certificate and Arya Vyasya certificate form G will not be considered as income certificate. Okay, so whatever performa is asked in the by the KEA, you have to submit in that format only. Okay, now moving forward, how the supernumerary quota will be implemented, what are its stages, that we will see. The income limit for claiming seat under SNQ, that is tuition fee waiver scheme, is 8 lakhs as per the GO number ED. So this is about the document, and there is certain slabs in that. So first stage is for those candidates whose parental income will be less than 2.5 lakhs. The second stage is for those who have parental income between 2.5 to 3.5 lakhs. The third stage is between 3.5 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs. The fourth stage is between 4.5 lakhs but not more than 6 lakhs. and the fifth stage is between 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs. Okay, so it will be applied in slabs. So at like overall, if your family income is less than 8 lakhs, then you should definitely go for this. It will be a huge relief for you and your family. So please study well, and just make sure that all the documents for your SNQ are available. If not, just get it done before the application form filling ends, and after that only fill the application form, okay, once the documents are ready. So students, I have discussed all the important details that you should know for this SNQ. If you still have any doubt, please don't hesitate, put down your comments. I will I'll reply to all of them and clear all your doubts. But please remember, do not do anything in confusion, because application form filling is the most important and crucial step. So please don't do any mistake here. Take your time to understand, take your time to do research, take your time to gather the documents. Do not hurry, and once all these things are done, you can easily fill the application form. Okay, so thank you so much, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button for many such informative videos. And yes, this channel is going to be your ultimate savior for KCT and PU2 2026 examination. Once again, all the best, and keep learning, keep shining, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button.